I'm going to tell you what guarantor means. Have you heard of guarantor? Save this video first. You will only know this when you want to submit a loan to buy a car or a house. But as of right now, we're talking about buying a car. A guarantor is also known as someone who agrees to be responsible for paying if the borrower defaults. So the guarantor has to pay off the debt on behalf of the borrower and is liable for further charges, legal costs, and interest if the payment is delayed. Why does a bank need a guarantor? There are two reasons. 1. Your income level is too low to sustain the monthly installment. 2. Your loan is 50-50. You do have the money but have a lot of commitment. So you need a guarantor to approve the loan and your TDSR ratio is too high. Now, who's going to be your guarantor? Typically, they are your parents or your husband or wife. If you benefit from these tips, share it with your friends. Follow us for more.